What's that acceleration naman siya? What's that acceleration?
Actually, the speed for this elevator is 10 meters per second.
Square?
Which maybe 3 meters per second.
We really can't see anything.
Where?
Any elevator, we can see what's happening outside.
No, actually, to see is dangerous, you know.
It's dangerous?
Because I think if you see outside at this kind of speed,
You get dizzy.
yeah. It's very
So everything is
aircraft.
really enclosed.
Oh, everyone's covered.
Oh,
When you reach,
I thought
Ano
maybe.
kan malagyan
हाँ, dangerous.
प्लेन के जैसे
Scary.
भाई 40 सेकंड में उसने 118 फ्लोर
Because we're preparing our video.
ang tingin na natin sa mga